Welcome to the Stoic Forge. In this video, we'll explore the untold story of women in Stoicism, how their wisdom shaped the philosophy we know today and how their influence can guide us in modern life. Introduction to Stoicism and women's role. Stoicism is often associated with male philosophers like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus. But did you know women also played a crucial role in Stoic philosophy? Today, we'll look at the forgotten voices of Stoicism and the women who influenced the minds of the great Stoic philosophers. Historical context and women in Stoic history. Let's go back to ancient Rome. One of the most famous women in Stoic history is Portia Catonis, daughter of Cato the Younger. She was known for her wisdom, virtue, and her connection to Stoic ideals. But her story is often overshadowed by her male counterparts. She was an influential figure who engaged deeply with Stoic philosophy, and her life demonstrated courage, integrity, and resilience, traits central to Stoic thought. Influence of women on Stoic philosophers. The relationship between Stoic philosophers and the women in their lives, like Marcus Aurelius' wife Faustina, shows how Stoic principles were not just abstract ideas but lived experiences. They influenced how these philosophers saw the world, their decisions, and their writings. Modern application of Stoicism and women's influence. In today's world, the lessons of these women can help us build stronger, more resilient relationships. Whether it's through emotional resilience, wisdom in conflict, or leading with integrity, the Stoic values influenced by women can guide us in our everyday lives. What do you think about the role of women in Stoicism? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video insightful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Share your ideas for future videos. There's a lot more to explore in the world of Stoicism.